you're doing everything right, but money isn't coming. Ever wonder why? Maybe the answer was in the Quran all along. Surah At-Talaq, verses 2 and 3. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out, and will provide for him from where he does not expect. This is the real money mindset. It's not hustle, it's taqwa. Rizq is not just salary, it's peace, it's health, it's barakah, and at Allah is Ar-Razzaq. Join our WhatsApp group. Link in description. Maybe your rizq is late, but Allah's timing is perfect. He says in Surah Ad-Dariyat, "In Allah huwal razzaqu zul quwwatil mateen." Indeed, it is Allah who is the continual provider, the firm possessor of strength. So relax your heart, chase taqwa, and watch rizq chase you. Share this with someone who's stressed about money. Subscribe to Real Talk Quran. Barakah starts today.